In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an app in Glide. First of all, open any browser and search for Glide. Once the results appear, scroll past the sponsored links until you see the official Glide Apps website and open it. When you land on their homepage, click the Start for Free button at the top right corner of the screen, which will take you to the Sign Up page. You can sign up using Google or your email address, and once you follow the on-screen steps and create your account, you will be taken to the main dashboard. Here you will see a prompt box where you can describe the type of app you want Glide to generate for you using AI, but we will cover that part later in this video. To create an app manually, click on the New App option. You will now see several choices. You can select a basic app or a portal app, both of which automatically create some empty tables for you to fill with your data. You can also connect external sources like Google Sheets, Airtable, or Excel Online if you already have your information stored on those platforms. If you prefer starting from zero, choose the blank option and then click Create App. If you want to continue from Google Sheets, Airtable, or other platforms, we have separate videos on those topics that you can search on our channel. Once your app opens, the first thing to understand is the set of tabs at the top. Begin with the Data tab. This is where all of your app's information is organized in tables. The names of your tables appear on the left side. You can click the plus icon to create a new table or sync an external source. After adding a table, you can rename it and start adding columns or rows like you would in any spreadsheet. The next tab is Layout. This is where you display the information stored in your tables. First, you need to create a screen using the left-hand navigation menu. You can create a screen from your existing data, start a new screen from scratch, or add a form screen depending on what you want to show. Once the screen is created, the right-hand panel lets you adjust the style and how the data should appear inside your app. After that, you have the Workflows tab. A workflow is a series of actions that run when a certain trigger happens inside your app. We also have a separate video on building workflows if you want to learn about them in detail. Next is the Settings tab. Here you can change your app name and icon, adjust the appearance, choose whether your app is private or public, and manage integrations such as Slack, Discord, Zapier, and more. Now let's return to the very first tab, which is Agent. This is where Glide's AI can edit your app automatically based on the prompt you give it. For example, if you write a paragraph describing an inventory management app, the AI will generate tables and fields for you. After sending the prompt, once it completes the process, you can go back to the Data tab and see everything it created. You can then adjust the layout to display your data the way you want. The final step is publishing your app. Click the Publish button at the top right corner, edit the name if needed, and then click Publish again. You can copy the app link, download the QR code, or open the app directly from here. This was the most basic tutorial on creating an app in Glide. If you need help with layouts, workflows, app appearance, or integrations like Discord, Google Analytics, or anything else, we most likely have a full tutorial available. Just search for the topic along with our channel name on YouTube to find it, and this is how you can create an app in Glide.